So welcome back guys, my name is Amlan and in today's Make Knowledge Free campaign, we speak about a peculiar problem faced by many users, and that is their fingerprint doesn't seem to work. Now I have kept a fingerprint for unlocking my screen, but you can see here as soon as I press this, like I keep my finger here, it says fingerprint doesn't match. Now if this is the case that you are facing, let's look at how you can solve this. So what I will advise is, heading to your phone settings, so tap on the settings icon here, head towards biometrics and security, and there you can see fingerprint. There's a separate section for fingerprints, so tap on this label, give the screen pattern so that you head towards this, and now whichever fingerprint has been added on the device will appear at the top. In case you have labeled it, you will see a name for the fingerprint, otherwise it will be fingerprint 1 by default. Tap on the fingerprint and then you have an option of removing it. So go ahead and remove this because this doesn't seem to recognize your fingerprint anymore. Now, since the fingerprint is removed, so there won't be a fingerprint lock, there will be a swipe lock or whatever lock you have set up. So that thing can be checked from here, like you can check lock screen and you can see what all has been set. So presently the screen lock type is only pattern, the fingerprint has been removed. So there is no question of fingerprint coming in. But in case you still want to have a fingerprint, go ahead, go towards biometrics and securities and go towards add your fingerprints, put in your screen pattern and now tap on continue and this power portion. So you need to press your thing here. So just remove this and again just keep doing this. So now it's 35%, 38. So I need to repeat this. I'll just pause while I finish this. So it's almost done. It's almost 90. So 95, 100 and fingerprint has been added. Now I tap on done and you can see it shows fingerprint 1. I can go ahead and label this. So I will write slabs. No, doesn't look good. I will write Amlan. Tap on save and there you go. My fingerprint has now been added. Now I want to have fingerprint unlock set here and then I want to head towards lock screen, and inside lock screen now, like I do want to have fingerprint turned on. So like fingerprint has been registered and you can see it's already showing here. Now what I will do is I will simply switch off my device, switch it back on, and you can see it will say fingerprint or draw pattern. I will try and put my fingerprint here and you can see it opens and it gets recognized. So these are the things that you can try doing in case your fingerprint is not working. Also, what you can try checking is like whether you're using the same finger that you were using earlier for the fingerprint lock. Sometimes people forget, like it's quite possible that you used a different index or a thumb finger. So check which fingers have been used and try cleaning the surface. Like, if the surface is covered with dust or something like that, then it's quite possible that, your fingerprint impressions are not getting registered correctly. So maybe that's the reason why your fingerprint is not getting recognized. So try just cleaning the surface and then again putting in the finger. If that doesn't work, try deleting the fingerprint and registering a new one and then retrying with the new fingerprint. So guys, if you find this tutorial helpful, kindly consider subscribing, liking and sharing. Do let us know in the comment section how you find this tutorial, and also do keep us posted on any new feature that you may want to learn out. If anything is troubling you, do keep us posted of that as well. So that's all from my side. Until next time, it's me Amlan signing off.